Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are fine. Today, we will learn simple English. We will learn family conversations. You can use these sentences at home. They are easy and useful. So, listen carefully. Repeat after me. Practice every day. Let's start.
Are you awake? Yes, Mom, I just woke up. Did you sleep well? Yes, I slept well. Have you brushed your teeth? Not yet. I will do it now. What do you want for breakfast? I want bread and eggs. Are you ready for school? Almost ready. Did you finish your homework? Yes, I finished it last night. Why are you late? I woke up late today. Did you pack your bag? Yes, everything is ready. Do you need money? Yes, a little, please. When will you come back? I will come back in the afternoon. How was your day at school? It was great. What did you learn today? I learned a new English lesson. Did you eat your lunch? Yes, I did. Do you need help with your homework? Yes, please help me. What do you want to be in the future? I want to be a doctor. Are you tired? Yes, a little. Let's go for a walk. Okay, sounds good. Did you call your teacher? Yes, I called her. What are you watching? I am watching cartoons. Go to bed early. Okay, Dad.
What are we having for dinner?
We are having rice and chicken.
Who will cook today?
Mom will cook today.
Can you help me in the kitchen?
Yes, I'm coming.
Please set the table.
Okay, I will do it.
Is the food ready?
Yes, almost ready.
Call your brother for dinner.
Okay, I'll call him.
Let's eat together.
Yes, let's eat.
How is the food?
It's very delicious.
Did everyone eat?
Yes, everyone finished.
Clean the table, please.
Sure. What are you doing? I am studying. Can I use your phone? Yes, but for a short time. Did you take my book? No, I didn't. Let's play a game. Okay, let's play. Help me with this problem. Sure, I will help you. Don't make noise. Okay, sorry. Where is my pen? It's on the table. Are you going outside? Yes, I am. Wait for me. Okay, hurry up. Let's watch a movie. Great idea.
Did you clean your room?
Yes, it's clean now.
Why is your room messy?
I will clean it soon.
Turn off the lights.
Okay.
Close the door.
Sure.
Did you lock the door?
Yes, I did.
Bring me a glass of water.
Here you go.
Where is Mom?
She is in the kitchen.
Where is Dad?
He is watching TV.
What time is it?
It's 8 p.m.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am. Are you feeling okay? Yes, I'm fine. Why are you sad? I had a bad day. Don't worry. Thank you. I am proud of you. Thank you so much. I love you. I love you too. Take care of yourself. I will. Did you take your medicine? Yes, I did. Get some rest. Okay, I will. You did a great job. Thanks a lot. I miss you. I miss you too.
Where are you?
I am outside.
When will you come home?
I will come soon.
Did you eat?
Yes, I already ate.
Are you safe?
Yes, don't worry.
Call me when you arrive.
Okay, I will.
Why didn't you answer my call?
I was busy.
I will be late today.
Okay, come safely.
Do you need anything?
No, I'm fine.
I'm on my way.
Okay, come fast.
See you soon.
See you. Finish your homework first. Okay, I will. Don't waste time. Sorry, I won't. Listen carefully. Yes, I'm listening. Speak in English. Okay, I will try. Practice every day. Yes, I will. Be polite to others. Okay, respect your elders. Yes, I will. Don't tell lies. I understand. Always be honest. I will. Work hard. Yes, I will do my best.
Are you ready to eat?
Yes, I am ready.
Did you wash your hands?
Yes, I did.
What are you doing now?
I am watching TV.
Can you bring me some water?
Yes, I am bringing it.
Where are you going?
I am going outside.
When will you come back?
I will come back soon.
Did you finish your food?
Yes, I finished it.
Why are you quiet?
I am just thinking.
Are you feeling sleepy?
Yes, a little. Turn off the TV. Okay, I will turn it off.
Did you call your friend?
Yes, I called him.
What do you want to do now?
I want to rest.
Can you help me clean the room?
Yes, I will help you.
Where is your brother?
He is in his room.
Why are you late today?
There was traffic.
Are you hungry now?
Yes, I am very hungry.
Do you want some tea?
Yes, please.
Did you complete your work?
Yes, it is done.
What are you looking for?
I am looking for my phone.
Can you close the window?
Yes, I will close it.
So, my dear friends, we have come to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope you learned many new sentences. I hope you feel more confident now. Always remember one thing. English is a skill, and every skill needs practice. You do not need big words. You do not need perfect grammar. You just need to speak. Start with small sentences. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Make mistakes. It is okay. Mistakes help you learn. Do not feel shy. Do not feel afraid. Be brave. Be confident. Use English at home. Talk to your mother. Talk to your father. Talk to your brother and sister. Even if you speak only one sentence, that is a good start. Practice every day. Just 10 minutes a day can change your life. One day, you will speak English fluently. One day, you will feel proud of yourself. And that day is not far. Just take small steps. Just keep learning. Just keep trying. Every day is a new chance. Every day is a new beginning. Do not stop. Do not go back. Move forward, step by step. So keep going. Never give up. Believe in yourself. You are stronger than your fear. You are better than yesterday. You are improving every day. Even if it is slow, it is still progress. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your love and support. Your support means a lot to me. Your time is very valuable, and I truly appreciate it. If you like this video, please like it. Share it with your friends and family. Help others learn with you. Let's grow together. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Smooth English Talks. Because here, we learn together, we grow together, and we speak English with confidence. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, and keep practicing English every day. Keep smiling, keep learning, keep shining. Goodbye, my dear friends.